Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin in the headlines today. Shrujani Mela cum award function held at Town Engineering Department of SAIL RSP. Safety song competitions organized at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant to mark Steel Safety Day. And program on first aid and life-saving procedures organized. Now the news in detail. A Shrujani Mela cum award function was organized for the employees of Town Engineering Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 16th March. Mr. Pavan Gupta, GM, TE Civil, was the chief guest of the program. He inaugurated the Mela and also presented the Shrujani Awards and certificates to the employees. Present on the occasion were Mr. B.K. Behera, AGM IED, other senior officers, awardees and employees of the department were present on the occasion. In all, 112 suggestions were awarded in the function, out of which 37 have been implemented. Cash award to the tune of Rs 9,550 was distributed at the function. The recurring benefit accrued was worth Rs 2.4 lakhs. The suggestions have brought about several other tangible and intangible benefits for the department. Mr. Behera briefed about the status of Shrujani scheme at RSP and that of the department. More than 150 suggestions were generated in the Mela. The dignitaries presented token gifts to the employees for their suggestions. Mr. P.K. Mandhata, Senior Manager, TE Civil, coordinated the function. Safety song competition was organized for the employees of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant at the Safety Training Hall on 18th March to mark the observance of the Steel Safety Day. 15 employees from across the plant took part in the contest. The winners of the competitions will be awarded in the function to be organized to mark the Steel Safety Day 2021. The Safety Engineering Department coordinated the program, realizing the importance of songs as a powerful medium of communication and awareness. Safety Engineering Department has been organizing song competitions every year. This has also helped in highlighting the talents and potentials of the employees for the betterment of the organization. A half-a-day training program on first aid and life-saving procedures was held on 17th March 2021 at OHSC Training Hall. 33 participants from different departments of RSP attended the program. The program was organized to impart basic knowledge on CPR, that is cardiopulmonary resuscitation, snake bite, hypoglycemia in case of diabetes patients, fits or convulsions, injuries, especially in head or spinal injuries, etc. The participants are provided specific basic training on first aid to save the life of self and others in case of exigencies. They are also encouraged to transfer the knowledge to colleagues and family members. Earlier, Dr. T. Mishra, additional CMO, the MNHS, in charge OHSC, welcomed the dignitaries and participants. He elaborated on fundamentals of first aid, burn and scald, and cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Dr. S. Kumar, Senior DMO, took sessions on structure and function of human body, wound and bleeding, and CPR. Mr. S. P. Das took a session on dressing and bandaging. Mr. K. C. Pradhan, OH Technician, OHSC, coordinated the program. That's all we have for you from a news desk. Namaskar.